Hello friends, welcome back to Sweet Surprise. Today we're going to be making this cute smash cake cat. So first I melted the candy melt and I'm just putting it in the Geo Heart mold. And I'm just moving it around like this to even it out, like so. And then I'm going to pour the excess back into my bowl and scrape the sides. And then I'm going to freeze this. Next I'm going to use this mold, and I'll list all the molds below so you guys can find them. And it's a small Geo Heart mold. I'm going to freeze that. Now I'm going back in with a second layer and I'm brushing it on just to make sure the sides are tough, so when you break the mold out that it won't crack, like so. And I like to go in with 3 layers. So after this one freezes, I'm going to do another layer and then I'm done for this part. Next I'm using this mold, and this is for the ears of the cat. And then I'm doing the eyes. I'm making the eyelashes, and I use this for my unicorn one too, so it's perfect. I'll link this down below. And I'm just going in with fondant because I find it to be a lot better, and I make my own fondant at home with marshmallows. If you want to see that video, comment below and I'll make one to show you how to make fondant. It's pretty easy. And so here I'm just shaping it, and then I'm just bringing it up like this really slowly. And my fondant's a little sticky too, so I had to use icing sugar right there. And then I'm just going to make the whiskers. Now I'm cracking it, and it's all frozen and nice and hard. Just do it slowly, crack the sides slowly, and then peel like so. And don't worry, I washed my hands and everything before I did this. And then now I'm going to stick the ears on. So I just dipped it in a little bit of chocolate and I stuck the ears on. Hold it for a few seconds and it's stuck like so. Then now I'm going to add the lashes, the eyes, and I'm just going to put it on. And you don't have to put chocolate because the fondant will actually start to melt into the heart, and so you just leave it like that. Then I'm adding the whiskers and the heart for the nose, the pink heart, like so. And you just position it, and then if there's little marks, you just wipe it with a towel. And I'm going in with the next whisker like so. And then I'm going to do the last whisker like that. And then now I'm going to add flowers around the ears to cover the melted chocolate on the bottom of the ears. And this is another mold that I use to make the flowers, and it's chocolate flowers. I'll link that down below for you guys to see. So I just dipped it in a little bit of chocolate, and then I put it underneath the ear and it sticks. Then here I'm just using fondant to make the mouth like so. And now I filled my box with a bunch of candy. Then I'm going to put the cat on top like so. And then once it's all nicely aligned like that, I'm going to add my crinkle paper inside. And here you go, like so. I'm just going to cushion it all around like that. Add it all. And I add white crinkle paper, but I also cut up glitter wrapping to give it some details. And then now I'm going to add my little details on the side to make it look cute. Now I'm just rolling white fondant, and I'm going to add happy birthday because I'm going to put this on the side of the cake. And this little cutter stamper thing for fondant, it's really small, and I'll send you guys a link down below so you guys can buy this. It's like super cheap, and I use it for most of my cakes like so. But it's tedious because the letters are really small, so you got to find it, and it takes quite a bit, but once you find it, you're good to go. And I like to stamp it on like excess fondant on the side like that, just to make sure my letterings are all correct. Because if you don't and you go in and then you're like, whoops, you got to do it all over again. Now I'm using edible glitter, and I'm just dabbing it in the holes so that the happy birthday stands out more. And then I'm going around the heart like so. Then I'm going to just add this to my cake. So I'm just going to open this and add it, and then refrigerate it until you give it to your customer or your friend like that. And then add a mallet. So I like to tie a little ribbon around my mallet like that. And then I'm just going to add that to my cake. And voila, here's the cat cake. Super easy and fast and fun. If you like the video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next smash cake video. Bye, friends.